Hey, I came across this amazing quote that goes that I'd rather be a successful fish than a fish who's trying to become a bird and be a failure. It's better you know your environment. It's better you know your element. It's better you know your strength. We can never be the same. We can never all think the same. We can never all do the same thing. Find your strength and work on it. The biggest mistake is we are trying to be copycat of people. We are killing the originality of who we are and copying someone else. Then you become another version of someone else. The ones say that an original is so much value than a copy. It's high time you know your value. It's high time you identify your element. It's high time you know yourself and know your strength. Not all of us are meant to be artists. Not all of us are meant to be musicians. Not all of us are meant to be preachers. Not all of us are meant to be doctors. If we are able to identify our uniqueness, by our strength, and we are able to work on it, I am assuring you that success is a step away. The mistake that we do, we want to be someone else and we kill the inner child, we kill the inner dream, we kill the inner person. You need to identify your element, by your strength. The earlier, the better. The reason why we celebrate the Williams sisters is they found their calling at an early age. They are the movers and the shakers on that particular industry. We are bombarded with noises from the external forces that you need to be this, you need to do this, you need to be there, you need to handle this. And then we kill the inner child, we kill the inner person, we come out from our own element and tend to fake or to imitate something that we are not strong. As I started actually, it's better you be a successful fish than a mediocre fish who tries to become a bird. Discover your strength and know your element and work on it. And I'm telling you, success and passion are alive. They call it find your vocation, find your calling, and you will go as far than the horizon. It is written, use your talent and you'll sit the tables of kings and queens. Thank you for watching. My name is Innocent K, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Goodbye.